Hey there, dears! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're going to show you step by step how to replace an old kitchen faucet with two handles. Whether your faucet is leaking, outdated, or you just want to give your kitchen a fresh look, this is a DIY project that you can easily tackle on your own. Don't worry, we'll guide you through every step, from turning off the water supply to installing the new faucet. So, let's get started. Step 1. Tools and materials. New 2-handle faucet. Adjustable wrench. Basin wrench. Channel lock pliers. Pipe tape or plumber's tape. Bucket or towels. Screwdriver, plumber's putty, rubber gloves. Flashlight, Teflon tape. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. First things first, safety first. Before we start working, you need to shut off the water supply. Look under your sink to locate the hot and cold water supply valves. They're usually small round knobs. Turn them clockwise to shut off the water. To double check, you can turn on the faucet to make sure no water comes out. Step 3. Disconnect the water supply lines. Next, we're going to disconnect the water supply lines from the faucet. Use your adjustable wrench to loosen the nuts that connect the water lines to the faucet. Be ready for a little bit of water to drip out. That's totally normal. Make sure you have your bucket or towels ready to catch any excess water. Step 4. Loosen the faucet mounting nuts. Now that the water lines are out of the way, it's time to remove the faucet itself. Under the sink, you'll see 2 mounting nuts that hold the faucet in place. These can be tricky to get to, especially if there's not much room. But don't worry, this is where a basin wrench comes in handy. The basin wrench allows you to reach and loosen the nuts that are typically too tight for your hands. Step 5. Remove the old faucet. Now that the mounting nuts are removed, we can pull out the old faucet. Depending on the age and condition of your faucet, it might take a little wiggling to get it free. Don't force it too hard. Just give it some gentle tugs to see if it comes loose. And there we go, out with the old. Step 6. Clean the sink area. Before we install the new faucet, take a moment to clean the area around the faucet holes. Use a rag or sponge to remove any old residue or debris. This will help create a nice, clean surface for the new faucet to sit on. Step 7. Install the new faucet. Once the faucet is in place, make sure it's centered and sitting flat on the sink. This is important to avoid leaks down the line. Now, underneath the sink, take your new mounting nuts and secure them onto the faucet's mounting bolts. Use your basin wrench or adjustable wrench to tighten them up. Step 8. Reconnect the water supply lines. With the faucet securely in place, it's time to reconnect the water supply lines. Attach the hot and cold water lines to the corresponding connections on the faucet. Use your adjustable wrench to tighten the nuts, but again, don't over-tighten them. Step 9. Test the faucet. Now, we're ready for the moment of truth. Turn the water supply valves back on slowly, starting with the cold water. Then, check your faucet to make sure the hot and cold water are flowing properly. Step 10. Clean up and final adjustments. Your brand new 2-handle kitchen faucet is installed and ready to go. It's a simple project, and you've saved yourself some money by doing it yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY tips, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy fixing!